starting with a darling darling photo of my granddaughter shopping with her mommy. And my daughter-in-law posted something really cute about that photo, so I wanted to make sure that I got it documented. So I'm starting with this peach paper to back the photo. And all the colors from this are coming from that fantastic kind of girly paper with makeup and lipsticks and eyeshadow and that kind of stuff, because she's got that darling little backpack purse on. So the peach paper is from Echo Park Fashionista. It's the Retail Therapy paper, which all the papers are from the Fashionista collection here. And then I'm going to mount it on that kind of rectangle of green paper. It's a minty green. That is the Fashionista border strips paper. And so I just like the contrast that those two give to that very busy paper that's going to be behind the green paper. I'm adding my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel. And I did want to give myself some space to the right of the photo, which is why I'm kind of leaving a little bit of space there that you can see now. I sort of like chopped a few things off ahead of time, and then I'm kind of refining it. So that paper there, oh, it's so cute. That's from Fashionista, and it's the Makeup Time paper. I've had this collection for a long time. It's very, very girly, obviously, and I didn't have an exact idea of what I was going to do with it, but perfect for my granddaughter. That is all going around, all going on that background of that black polka dot paper. So even though that's patterned, it almost reads as a faux solid. It gives a really good grounding foundation, which I guess grounding and foundation are the same things, to everything else, because that pink makeup paper is so busy, and I'm just kind of adjusting. It didn't come down straight. So the polka dot paper is from Fashionista, and it's the So Many Shoes paper. It does have darling shoes on the back of it as well, so that I want to use in another layout at some point. So again, just going to, even though these are all from the same collection, I want to give them a little bit more definition, and that's why I'm using my gray flannel ink. And then I kind of moved that. Originally I was going to justify the green paper to the right. I decided to actually bring it into the middle so you could see more of the busy background paper there. And obviously the background paper is background paper is the polka dot, but the one on top of that is very busy, but it's kind of neutralized a little bit because I have put a lot of other layers on it, so you're only seeing a smaller part of it. So a great way to get an idea of what's on that paper, but not make your eyes go crazy. So then I took those two stickers that I put on the right, and those are two stickers from Photo Play Like a Girl. They're from the Alpha sticker sheet. So there's a little banner, and Happy Girls Are the Prettiest. And then I'm taking these little cut aparts, which I believe are 2x2, from the Echo Park Fashionista multi-journaling cards paper. And they say things like, "You fabulous glam girl." And then I just have a floral piece there. She is so fabulous. I really wanted that to be in there. And, the Happy Girls Are Prettiest is a message, even though there's, it's a very girly layout, there's makeup on it. It's more a message to her about being independent and being the person, being who she wants to be, that she doesn't have to be a stereotype. So, and I think that's, it's definitely her. I always say that you can catch her. She's so girly. She loves pink. She loves makeup. She loves dolls, but she also will play with trucks and wrestle with her brothers with the best of them while wearing a tulle skirt and cowboy boots. So it's just, she's an awesome kid. That's for sure. And I might be prejudiced because I'm her grandma, but I don't think totally. Anyway, so what I did is I put those, while I was talking, I put all of those cut aparts and that one square sticker, not in a completely square grid. I didn't want it to be completely square. I wanted it to be broken out a little bit, which is why I picked that sticker onto the right. And then have more fun, I posted the border or banner there I put on top there. And now I'm playing around with what kinds of letters I want to use here. I want to call this Miss Independent. And I'm thinking of using these letter stickers here. They're a minty color. thicker, but I realize that I don't have enough of E's or 3's to make it work. So I would have used the 3's if I had them, but there weren't enough in this set. So now I'm going to this other minty colored set, and this is from Amy Tangerine. And you think that before I started taking anything off, I would have counted the E's or the 3's, but I did not. So that has to go away. The other thing is those light greens were definitely fading into the background. So that was kind of another reason why I put away those. So now I went and I got my black letters, and I'm looking through those to see what I can find, what I think might work. And I am now looking for E's and 3's. I've gotten a little smarter here. Okay. So then I really like that one alpha there. There's so much going on in the background of that paper. I wanted it to be bold, but I didn't feel like it needed to be so big. If I had had a glitter alpha that would have worked, I would have used it, but all of my glitter alphas were missing letters that I needed. So this foam alpha is American Craft Stickers, and it is the Wonder alphabet. So I'm not sure where it's from with the original collection, and it may not have been an original collection. Anyway, so there we go. I now have enough letters, enough E's to make this work. And I'm just getting that, I'm using my wax paper to help get the spacing right. I like to do that because I decided not to completely justify it in the middle of the green paper. I did it more to span the photo and the squares. So sometimes, just those little refinements make the design work a little bit more, I guess. That's, at least to my eye, the design works this way versus justifying it in the middle of the green paper. I'm just adding some matte dots from Freckled Fawn here that I got in I think I bought like a warehouse box or a big sale. I'm not a big fan of matte dots, honestly, so I need to get these used up. So I keep trying to add them in. I think when I bought them, I didn't realize they were matte. They do definitely provide a different texture, which is nice, but they get easily marred on the surface, so I don't love them because of that. There you go. There's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another later again soon. Bye, everybody.